Hi there, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video we will create this effect. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in order to create this effect, we must have a video where we have a sky right here and we have a ground down here. Now we can select this clip, we can press Alt key on the keyboard and we can drag this on top of this layer to create a duplicate clip. Now I'm going to select this above track and I'm going to flip this. And now I'm going to crop the top part like this, and now we can use the position to place this right here. Now we can select this clip, we can change its position, we can turn off these transform controls, we can select this above track and we can soften out the crop. And now if I play this video, as you can see, now we have this effect. Now we can also disable this track, we can reset the transform control, we can add a keyframe in position and we can place this video right here. Click here and we can change keyframe position right here, and now we can enable this track, we can select this one, we can change its position to right here, we can add a keyframe in position, and to this position we can place this video right here. And now if I play this video, as you can see, now we have this effect. So as you can see guys, we have this weird sky, so we can select this video, we can soften out sky even more, we can change the keyframe position to about here. Now the next step is we can select these two clips. First we can select, now we can select this one and we can lower the softness and we can crop the top part. Now we have to change the keyframe position to about here. Now we can select these two clips, we can create a compound clip, we can go to the color and in color we can color grade and color correct this video. So I'm using the gain and the gamma, and let's use the offset and let's add a contrast. Now we can add a more mid and detail, so let's add 50%, and now we can create a new node, select this one, change the saturation to 60%, go to the curve and in hue versus hue we can drag this right here, select the red, we can drag this down here, select the sky color and we can place this right here. So this is before and this is after. Now we can go to the HDR and we can add a shadow color. So I'm going to add a red color this time and let's add this one in light. And now this is before and this is after, and here we have the final result. So this is how we can create this beautiful effect in DaVinci Resolve.